Handa na ang 1st Marine Brigade para sa halalan sa darating na Mayo 2025. Sinabi ni 1st Marine Brigade Commander Brigadier General Romulo Quemado II na makakatulong ang kanilang ginawang pakikipag-usap sa mga kandidato sa pagpapanatili ng kaayusan sa kanilang area of responsibility.
Right. In terms of preparation for security support duties, we are totally on track. Ang ginagawa natin ngayon is we're continuously updating our information which supports our planning. Yun yung magdadrive ng pagplano natin, how we allocate resources and certain capabilities to address the gaps. Critical po yung pag-identify ng mga gaps, how we plug in and cover everything. This is a vast area itong kino-cover ng 1st Marine Brigade. So we need to ensure that we achieve economy of force. Ibig sabihin, malatagan natin lahat ng mga areas na nangangailangan ng kaukulang atensyon. Together, of course, with the Philippine National Police and other allied security forces in the area and critical stakeholders.